Pozdrav svima, ovdje Alfa Gamer i kao što možete vidjeti, baš divan dan u Londonu, makar sunčano, kao ljetni fini tako. Evo, znači, ja mislim da ovo sljedeća main misija, dakle, mislim da više nisu ove side misije, nego sad već nešto ozbiljnije. Evo da provjerim. Installing a broken device to a close associate of Henry's to be repaired. Dobro, ajmo.
Oh, blast them.
Alec, whatever is the matter?
I have been intercepting nothing but poppycock propaganda about soothing syrup and whatnot. No, I swear to high heavens, if Starrick's monopoly continues...
Alec, I beg your pardon. These are friends of mine. Evie Fry and her brother, Jacob.
Oh, Alexander Graham Bell.
Linguist, inventor, and technical expert. Alec, I have something of a favor to ask you.
Can you fix this? Oh, looks like the casing is cracked. Oh, comes apart. I see. Could have used one of these to fit my fuses on top of Big Ben.
Alec is installing a new telegraph line for our Free Press Association.
To combat the Starrick Telegraph Company. Now, if I can mend the fuses connecting independent lines from Big Ben, Starrick will be weakened. Only we are somewhat at a handicap. And... yeah. Oh, I've removed the mechanism so it may work with your bracer.
I'll put it to use immediately.
Jacob, wait. Mr. Bell, allow me to help you with your fuses.
Oh, you will not find me too proud to accept Miss Fry. Oh, we can use my carriage if you'd be so good as to hold the reins, though.
I'll take that.
I can help you. Oh, Miss Fry, I am so glad you could assist me.
So, Mr. Bell, what inventions are you concocting?
I intend to develop a phonetic telegraph that does not just convey dots and dashes, Miss Fry, but the human voice.
Phonetic telegraph? Sounds a bit of a mouthful. You could just call it a telephone.
Telephone? How bizarre. Anyway, as I was saying earlier, the press has become entirely dependent on the Starrick Telegraph Company.
Which is why Mr. Green has asked you to set up a free line.
Yes. What is more, other small independent companies have had their lines sabotaged, and they have little means of finding any broken fuses, which
There
are...
you are. To be found on top of Big Ben.
Correct. Especially as one needs a special government pass to get through the guards.
Penjemo se na Big Ben. Central pin su ovo djelo je super. Aha. LB. Dobro. Ima li koji brži način, brate. Probat ću nekako svokne pomoću ga užete. Jo. Evo nas.
Lovely view.
Da. Kako cool. Idemo install.
All set.
baš korisno ovaj zipline. Ali kako daleko seže, nije mi jasno tako. Tako. Baš se brzo putuje. Još ovaj što.
That should do it.
Šta ga on tamo rađe? Kako je lijepo ovaj Big Man. Kako je jako ovaj. Ovo mi ne planira više, to može biti prijatno. Vidimo se. Idemo tamo.
Thank you very much, Miss Fry. I will now be able to continue with the installation of the new line.
If there's anything else I can do to help.
Certainly. Please do come and visit. Oh, I was toying with this device and have noted down the formula for you. It's not perfect yet. By golly, it works. Whoa! Maybe a little too well. Whoa!
Aha, znači sad treba da uđemo nekih 200 metalnih komponenti. Dobro, pošto je put veoma dug izgleda, ja ću to malo skratiti. I evo nas bliže ovoga prvog cilja. Kako ovo je bug. A, prošao sam jedno.
Shipment of cables for them. The Srpski telegraph network, didn't you know? Something even bigger than the electric installation. Oh yeah? Well, I heard the government want to get their grubby hands on all the telegraph companies. I wouldn't worry about politicians. We know who really pulls the strings. Knowledge is power. And news is control of power.
Dobro. Još jedan.
Don't just attack her one at a time! I'll rip your tongue out to pieces! Just try to stop me! You'll be singing a different tune once I'm done with you.
Evo ga, lutovano. Crafting nabram. Dobro, ovo uglavnom kao za kraftovanje. Ne kraftujem. Smoke, ovog upgrade. Aha. Sam upgradeovao. Više mi treba dobro dosta. Idemo sad u taj Bellov workshop. A bježi, marš. Možda se mogu i pješke, ali ne može sad. Kako sam dobro ovo parkirao.
Ah, Miss Fry! I was just showing Jacob the first message was received via the mended lines. Oh, you can keep the rope launcher, by the way. We've managed to procure another one for your brother. Excellent work. Thank you, again.
You're very welcome, Mr. Bell.
We can now defend the principle of impartial news and free speech.
Free is fair, but free and brief is far better.
Ha ha! Fry, such caustic wit.
And on that note, we must depart.
Oh, good fortune to you both. Call on me, anytime.
Mislim da bi to bilo to za ovu misiju. Ćao.